Good morning everyone. I just recorded an entire intro to this video and I hadn't pressed record. So that kind of sums it up. How are you all? How have you been? When is this video going out? Yeah, how's your week been? This is a Sunday video. I think I had a midweek video go up this week for the Missima Black Friday sale. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm just having breakfast. Smashed avocado on a crumpet, which I don't think I've ever had before. I wouldn't normally put those together, but I fancied a crumpet and we had avocados that were going off. Good. Okay, I've got my cup of tea. Oh yeah, so last weekend, well, it's the weekend that's just gone for us, but for you guys, it will be last weekend. It was Rudy's first birthday. Oh, he's just woken up. And it was such a cute weekend. I filmed like all 3 of the days, like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Friday we went to Little Farm, Saturday we had a friend's birthday party, Sunday we had family around. And I filmed it just for us. So I filmed everything like landscape on my phone and I didn't like edit it. I just did like a 20-minute like proper unedited like home video. And I try and do that whenever it's like a proper occasion. I get overwhelmed by all the little like video clips I have on my phone, and I love my home videos from when I was a kid. And I get overwhelmed with like, am I capturing everything? So what I do is actually, I just film like birthdays, Christmas and holidays. And it's always like so lovely to watch it back. And I always think like how cute it's gonna be when they're older and they watch it. Capturing all the little moments. So this was a really good one because Gray's at like a good age and it was sweet. It was more entertaining than Gray's first birthday. Well, we were in lockdown for Gray's first birthday, but also just having Gray as an older sister, I don't know, it was really cute. I just literally love his little personality. I was saying to Rich last night, you think when you're having a second kid, you think like, oh, I'm so excited to see like how similar they're gonna be and like what they're gonna have in common. But actually what I've found much more rewarding, and I didn't realise, is discovering their differences. That's kind of more exciting than discovering their similarities. So like the other night he was really unsettled and I was kind of giving him a cuddle and he wouldn't stop crying, he wasn't very well. And I just randomly started singing, which is like not really something I ever did with Gray. I'm sure I tried it when she was a baby and I don't think it did anything. I started singing and he instantly stopped crying. And I was like, that was weird. Was that a fluke? And then we've been trying it since. And anytime he's like unsettled and crying, I literally start singing and he just stops and he like loves it. And it's so cute. And that was just not something that ever was a thing with Gray. And I love that that's just like unique to him. He loves music and I just think that's really sweet. Today, I actually have a shoot day with Georgia. We've got some good content to shoot. I'm doing a job with Arquette and I'm doing a job with Neil's Yard Remedies. And for that one, we're gonna go to Covent Garden and film something really cozy and Christmassy. Georgia's coming over at 10:30, I think, which is in about an hour and a half. So I've got a lot to do before then. I want to edit a TikTok. I need to like go through some of my emails. I need to tidy up my office because it is such a state. I can't even tell you. My friend Hannah gave back all the newborn stuff that I'd lent her. So it's like the next to me cot and all of that stuff is just like in my loft and I need to like put it in the eaves and put it away so that I could shoot up here. So I'm gonna crack on and I'll come back to you in a bit. First thing I'm doing is going through and trying to find some Christmas music for the reel that we're shooting this afternoon, because it's always quite helpful when you know what the music is going to be before you start shooting. Everything's very Christmassy. Can't decide whether to do like slow-mo, jingle bells slowly video or like fast-paced Christmassy. Let's see what Georgia thinks when we get there. On a one-horse open sleigh over... Rudy's down there, I'm not just like clapping to the floor. Yeah, this is reggae. I don't think it's gonna go with like the Neil's Yard Covent Garden vibe. Okay, Georgia is here now and we are filming for the Arquette job. Here, well, I'm wearing actually one of the jumpers and this coat. Is it alright that I was facing kind of that way? Is
yeah, but just make sure your hair's tucked behind your ear because they're not.
You have to go like that.
In and out, right? Yeah.
When I feel overwhelmed, this is what I like to do. I get a big piece of paper and I just write it down so I can see it very visually. Might even do some drawings. That really helps me. I'm such a visual person. So I'm going to we're talking about like jobs and stuff I've got coming up. It's a busy time of year with Christmas. So I'm going to sit here with Georgia now and we're going to write everything that's currently going on and try and like see if we can put it into like shoot days that we've got coming up. Okay, we are headed into Covent Garden to do a few things when we're there, and it's fine, don't worry Rich, you can print. I've just put on a kind of cozy outfit. I realised I don't really do like Christmassy outfits, but I've got a hat, I've got a nice wintry coat, cashmere jumper. I'm wearing my Uggs for the first time this year, or maybe not this year because I probably wore them at the beginning of the year, but first time this winter. And yeah, we're gonna go and get all Christmassy with the Christmas lights. Made it to Covent Garden and it's very festive, although it's still light. It will feel much more festive when it's dark. We've got a couple of things to do before we shoot later, but we need to eat lunch, so you know, just gotta have to factor that into our day. Maybe if I make content out of it, I can feel less guilty about like sitting and having a really nice lunch. I think we'll probably go to what's the food market called?
Something to do with bananas, isn't it?
It's not. There is a banana outside of it. It's not called that. The Seven Dials Market.
That's it.
Just because they've got loads of options. I feel like when you go out for lunch with someone, ready? It's always good to go somewhere like that because then we could always eat different things. We don't have to like agree on a cuisine. Do you have any idea what you fancy?
I don't know, but that chicken sandwich that we had last time was the best thing ever.
Shook London chicken sandwich thing. Oh, I'm so hungry I could eat anything. I'm excited. I'll take you guys with us. Oh, it's very festive in here. Oh, I love it. Oh, it smells so good. That's a cheese bar up there. It's like Yo Sushi, conveyor belt, but with cheese. What else? That's donuts up there. What's that at the back? Oh, it's a bar. Sorry, we don't need a bar. Guys, I forgot to vlog my lunch, didn't I? I was just so hungry and so excited. I went for Yum Bun and I had an amazing, I got the lunch deal, which comes with 2 buns, 2 veg gyoza and a slaw. I'll put a photo here of one of the buns, the pork bun. Actually, I think if I came back, I'd probably just get 2 pork buns because that was unreal. Oh my God, it was like pork belly. Oh, it was delicious. It was so good. And I also got like a jasmine passion fruit iced tea. And this is my empty little lunch plate. It's actually cute, but it's a bit like a school dinner plate. And it was delicious. What did you get? Shook London?
Shook London, and it was like a beef brisket pitta with loads of pickled onions and a really nice like sriracha mayo. It's very
I wish I could show you, but I
yeah,
forgot.
sorry.
Look how festive she looks though. She looks so cute. I love the little beret. So next thing we are doing, I feel like I've got food all in my teeth. We're going to go check out the Missima pop-up store, which is in, it says the market. I don't know if that's the Piazza. It says unit. Yeah, so it must be. I think I'm going to head that way, go say hi to the team, and then we're heading to Lululemon store to sort some stuff out for a future job. Oh my gosh, the big Christmas tree is up. Every year we get a photo with Rich and Gray in front of this tree. It's like become our little tradition. It's very festive in Covent Garden. We've got like giant baubles and mistletoe and disco balls. Just going to pop into the Missima pop-up to say hello. I'm being a terrible vlogger today, but we've just got so much to do. I've just shot a job in here with Neil's Yard. It's so festive in Neil's Yard, Covent Garden. It's like this hidden little, I mean it's not hidden, you probably know it, it's been here forever, but if you don't know, it's like a hidden little courtyard and it's so cute and it's the best at Christmas. Georgia just almost forgot her bag with her camera in it. I'm not hungry. Why do I feel a bit weird? Maybe I'm thirsty. I haven't really drunk much water. It can't be hunger because you've just eaten. Huh?
Thirsty for mulled wine.
Thirsty for mulled wine? Yes. And water. I actually really need to get a drink. We now need to film like festive Christmas lights. That's the vibe, Georgia, this. Ooh, dreamy.
Got it.
Dreamy, slow-mo Christmas lights in and out of focus. Let's do this. Georgia thought I was ordering water, but I was definitely getting, thank you so much. I mean, we have not finished shooting, but
Merry Christmas.
We need it, you know? Merry Christmas. Thank you very much. Cheers.
Cheers, thank you so much.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. So I went home and I saw the kids and managed to do like dinner, bath and bed and stuff with them, and it was really cute. And now I'm out again. It's been a really busy day. I'm quite tired actually. I know it all looks like fun. It is fun. We had a lot to do today, a big tick list of things, and yeah, hopefully it all comes out alright. It's kind of hard to tell until we start looking through the footage, but I'm actually heading now to have dinner with my friends Gemma and SJ. We've had this booked in for ages and it keeps getting cancelled and moved, and it's going to be really nice just to like catch up. We're going to a really cosy pub, and yeah, it's going to be really nice. I can take my glasses off now, not driving anymore. Ooh. Right, let's go in and find them. It is the next day, the next afternoon actually, and I didn't end up vlogging at dinner because it just didn't feel natural. We were catching up, chatting, and it wasn't a take your camera out moment, but we had a really lovely dinner, nice cozy pub vibes. Greasy hair, so I've done these French plaits, which took me a couple of attempts. You know when you just feel like I don't know how to do them, but sometimes my fingers just kind of know what they're doing. So I can't explain it. I start thinking I have no idea what I'm doing, and then eventually this just kind of happens. It's very strange. This is only like the second time I've managed it. I'm also in my workout clothes, but I'm actually going to pop to the shops. I've been working and sorting stuff all morning and just kind of hanging at home and getting stuff done. And I need to go to the shops to pick something up that we've ordered for Gray and just like run a few errands. Just had lunch. It was delicious. I made like flatbread with this kind of avocado bean stuff that Rich had made, fried egg, hoisin sauce, a bit of like sweet chili on top. It was just delicious. I'm wearing my Arquette fleece, Uniqlo crossbody bag, and Lululemon super high-rise Align pants. Very comfy day. Cannot tell you how exciting it is, the idea of going into a supermarket on your own when you're a parent. So I've got 10 minutes, I'm gonna pop into M&S, I'm so excited. I'm home and I showed you nothing, but let me show you what I bought. I went to Oliver Bonus. I got this really nice wrapping paper, red, pink stripe. I always need wrapping paper. Got stuff like kids presents, but not adults presents. From M&S, most random haul of all time. Literally, I got 3 things. Bechamel sauce, that's how you say it, isn't it? I think you use this for like lasagnas and mac and cheese and stuff. And those are always the recipes that we can never make because we never have this. So I was like, I'm just gonna get this and we can just have it in our cupboard. We really fancied a lasagna recently. I know you can make your own, I don't know how. I saw this pasta alphabet shapes and I just thought Gray would love that, and it's a good way to practice letters. And Brussels sprouts, because 'tis the season and I love them roasted. I got a friend of mine a present. I'm not gonna show it just in case they watch. Okay, this is what I actually went for. We went to pick this up from Jojo Mama Baby. We'd ordered it online to pick up in store. I think you guys are gonna like this. Okay, so you guys know that I love the Dairy Milk Advent Calendar. That is my Advent Calendar of choice. But I've been thinking, like now I've got my own kids, I'm like, what traditions can we do? You know, what can be our thing? And me and Rich both decided that we wanted to get Gray a reusable Advent Calendar. So something she can use every year. So this year, as it's the first year, it's a bit of an investment. This cost us £20, but we're gonna be using this every year, hopefully throughout her childhood. Hopefully she doesn't like kick off and is like, I want a Lego Advent Calendar. But this is the idea. It's a beautiful, oh my God, I love it. Christmassy, proper like sturdy Advent Calendar. I guess the only downside is that you have to store it somewhere, with these little individual drawers with the numbers on. So the little drawers are like this. It's empty, which I know seems a bit weird to spend £20 on an Advent calendar that is empty. I mean, maybe it could have come filled just to like help you out on the first year, I don't know. But the idea is that you fill it yourself, and every year we can fill it ourselves. And I thought it would be good if we filled this with a mix of chocolates and little kind of toys and figurines. I didn't want it to have like chocolate every single day, trying to be less like wasteful. So I've asked my friends and family if their kids who are older have any like old toys, little figurines and things that they're getting rid of that they don't want anymore. Also gonna be looking into charity shops as well. And I've got some cute little, where are they, 1 minute. Got these from like a garden centre, little like Santa chocolates. So look, I can, let's see, where's number 1? Here, I can pop a little chocolate in there. I think I'm gonna do every other day is a chocolate. So 1, 2, 3 is a chocolate. Anyway, I thought that was a really good idea. I'll link this down below if anyone wants to get it for their kid. One for me with my cup of tea. It's only 4 p.m. and my house is like pitch black. It's so weird, I always forget what it's like in winter and it makes me so panicky because I've got to get all of my content. Like, look, wait, look, this is my bedroom. This is my house right now. It's so dark. What I wanted to show you, which I feel like, I'm not sure if I can now. I wanted to show you the samples I got from Lick Paint for Gray's bedroom. I'll rest you on her little doll's house. I ordered some more like paper samples from Lick. Actually, I guess it's good to look at it in every light. This is very much like spotlight light and I need to look at it in daylight as well. But this is where I'm at with Gray's bedroom. Although we still haven't found someone to actually do it. I would do it myself, I just don't really have the time. Maybe I can do it actually when I'm on my Christmas break. I'm gonna take off a couple of weeks off work. Don't know if I have faith in myself to like prep it all properly. Like I don't really know what I'm doing. Anyway, we've got a couple of quotes, but they're really expensive. I was thinking red 03 for the ceiling and the like bit that comes down with the squiggle, which looks quite pink on camera, but it's, I mean, it is a pink. Don't know why they call it a red. And then pink 02 for the bottom half, which is still a pink, but it's, I feel like they're quite cool. They're quite nice colours. Oh, I just want to get it done. One of the girls we got over for a quote said that we should continue the squiggly pattern on the wardrobe, which I thought was such a good idea. Really excited for that. My mum has taken Gray to her swimming lesson and they're on their way back now, so I've got to go prep Gray's dinner. So I'm going to leave this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back again next week with another one. Any requests for things you want to see in my vlogs? I'm all ears. See you in the next one. Bye.